feel like maybe does it work for you then?
I was just supposed to play and
I always just try to get it. I remember the way I jogged it back, and I try to do the same thing so that it doesn't. Because you never know which way it's going to go to that position. So I try to get it close enough, like here, and then press play.
So it's programmed to do the.
What's that?
Is it programmed?
Yeah, it has to be programmed. It doesn't know what to do.
Cool.
It has to be instructed to. And what Andrew is doing there is basically just pressing play and controlling the speed to make sure that because if the mud is thicker, it's got to speed up the robot a little bit. If it's thinner, but if we make consistent mud, then there's not a tremendous amount of fussing around. We just monitor. I was just thinking about how maybe there's 80 bricks that would make that layer.
Yeah.
And we'd have to make the bricks, mix the mud, let them dry, stack them, move them here, make the mortar, set them in the mortar, and instead in 5 minutes or so we have it ready.
This is amazing.
What kind of roof are you putting?
We were still talking about it. I think it's just going to be a flat roof.
But could you, Ron? Could you do a vaulted or a little domed kind of roof with this slowly?
Yeah, but we had one over there. You see that one? I'll take you over there in a bit.
Cool. Thank you.
But I think we might be too high to do it. But we should have thought about that earlier.
Right.
But we were planning on doing a wood insulated roof, just so the pump never freezes.
Sure.
Although, because we probably could make a foot thick walls, it'd be really challenging and so heavy.
Right.